Have we covered everything that we need to cover for you to feel comfortable talking about altitudes and stages of development? I have now answered all of the FAQ questions that I wrote for myself. Do you want to know more information about altitudes or stages of development? Do you have questions? Do you find anything problematic about it? Please let me know, and then I'll continue talking about theory and clearing up any misunderstandings that might be occurring. I'm hoping to make this very compatible to a lot of people. I'm trying to present it in a non-threatening, just very matter of fact, I think that this is kind of the case with the nature of reality, and if you're on board with me, let's talk in these terms because it's convenient and fast and useful. So this is your opportunity to let me know, have I done my job? Have I explained altitudes? Do you get what altitudes is? Do you want to know more about where it comes from, what it means, what the dynamics are, how these levels work, and anything that I didn't anticipate? I want to know, and I want to fill in those blanks with the next thing that I have to offer. I really want this channel to be one resource where if you're willing to put in an hour or so, you should be able to really understand these stages of consciousness fully. That's what I'm trying to accomplish. How can I learn more about individual stages, either in great detail or in a hurry? That's what I'm doing on this channel. I'm going to make some videos that are like altitudes in 2 minutes, trying to explain things as fast as possible for people who are really in a hurry and they maybe aren't fans of my channel. They don't care about me. They don't want to know any of this. They just want to know what altitudes is really quick. They're just looking for an information source. Try and make that video here. If you really want to get down and dirty and understand everything about every level and apply it to every concept, also what I'm trying to do, also fun. So I'm trying to offer both. So right now, this is kind of the intro. This is like the starting point. If you're more into detail, I would go into my individual videos on individual topics, or I would go into my individual videos on the greater theory, on the theory of each stage. If you're totally bored with this theory and this kind of educational, instructional, tutorial stuff, then don't watch any more of it. Just do the fun stuff. That's fine. You don't need to understand this. If you're getting anything out of it, if you're enjoying it, it's osmosising into your brain. This is desired. You don't have to do it the same way I do it. You don't have to understand it or comprehend it or talk about it the same way I do. I just want to be able to talk about these concepts in any way, shape, or form whatsoever. If you've got some other theory, maybe I'll do a video on that if it's equally compatible and equally amazing. I've seen that there are alternative theories that are somewhat similar to Ken Wilber's integral theory. I just found the tool that worked for me, and I've stuck with it. I'm not at all closed-minded to other theories and other approaches. This is the language I want to speak for now. But as we go, we may be introducing other language that will deprecate the language that we're speaking now. I hope so. Let's do it.